Most small businesses miss about half of their incoming phone calls, and they never get a second chance because 85% of the time, callers won't call back. They'll just move to the next company on the list. So in this video, I'll show you a demo call with the Voice AI agent and lay out 5 reasons why you want to have a Voice AI receptionist in 2025 going into 2026. We're giving my Voice AI receptionist a call.
Hi, you've reached Prosperity Labs AI demo line. You can call me Jared. Would you like to see how I would work in your business?
Yes, I would.
Great. To tailor the demo, could you tell me a bit about your business? What's the name? What do you do? And what usually happens when a customer calls you?
The name of my company is called Tom's Plumbing. We provide plumbing services to the local Tulsa, Oklahoma area.
Thanks. Got it. Tom's Plumbing, serving Tulsa with plumbing services. When a customer calls your business, what do you want to happen? For example, do you want calls to be answered with appointment booking, emergency triage, or just general info?
I want calls to be answered with appointment booking.
Perfect. That makes sense. Here's how I'd work as your AI receptionist. When a customer calls Tom's Plumbing, I'd greet them, ask what plumbing service they need, get their location, and offer available appointment slots. I'd confirm their details, book the appointment, and send a confirmation if they want. If it's urgent, I'd prioritize their booking and alert your team. Let's do a quick role play. I'll act as your AI receptionist, and you'll be the customer. Ready? Just say what you'd like as if you're calling Tom's Plumbing.
Hi, is this Tom's Plumbing? I have a leak in my upstairs bathroom.
Hi, thanks for calling Tom's Plumbing. Sorry to hear about the leak in your upstairs bathroom. Let's get that sorted. Can I get your zip code so I can check available appointment times for you?
My zip code is 74137.
Thanks for that. 74137. Would you like the earliest available appointment?
Yes,
Or do you
please.
have a preferred time of day?
The earliest appointment, please.
Here are the earliest available times for an appointment. On Monday, November 10th at 3 p.m. On Monday, November 10th at 4:30 p.m.
Let's go with Monday, November 10th at 3 p.m.
I see we have your email as tom.fin, correct?
Yes.
You're all set for Monday, November 10th at 3 p.m. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
That's it. Thank you.
Thanks for calling Tom's Plumbing. Your appointment is confirmed for Monday, November 10th at 3 p.m. Have a great day.
You can configure the Voice AI receptionist with different voices, with different goals and intentions. You can also set it to answer as soon as someone calls, or you can let it route the call to you first, and if you miss the call, it'll then pick up the call. So with that being said, I'd like to run through the 5 key benefits of having a Voice AI receptionist. Starting with benefit number 1, you open yourself up to more inbound clients. As we stated at the beginning of the video, almost half of the phone calls that go to small businesses in general go unanswered. So when you have a Voice AI receptionist, you're going to answer closer to 100% of the time. And with you answering closer to 100% of the time, that leads into key benefit number 2, which is you stop potential customers from going elsewhere. If you make enough money in your business and you don't mind customers going elsewhere, then that's fine. But I think in most cases, everybody wants as many good customers as they can get. Benefit number 3 is a Voice AI receptionist will give you a consistent quality of service. And this just means that your Voice AI receptionist is never going to have a bad day. Benefit number 4, the Voice AI receptionist can answer multiple incoming calls at the same time, whereas a human cannot do this. And benefit number 5, it works 24/7, so you can leave it on after hours. It doesn't need a smoke break, a bathroom break, or any days off. You can try the demo yourself by going to my website at www.prosperitylabs.co. You'll find the number right there at the top of the website. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. And if you'd like to learn more about how to get set up, go ahead and get in touch with me, leave a comment. I can reach out to you and I'd be happy to help.